Hi, my dear friends. How are you today? Hi, and welcome to another episode of Mindful10. And today I will show you how to be aware of sounds and to use that to become mindful in minutes. I'm Sandra, the founder of the Academy of Making Sense, and this is Mindful10, your mindful reminder that meditation and mindfulness are not hard. They can be easy, and it can be achieved in a matter of minutes. Let me show you how. But before we start, can you please do me a favor? If you like what you see, like it, share it with your friends so they might like it too. Subscribe to my channel and let me know your thoughts and experiences in the comments. That would be awesome. Thank you. So we are now in Martinborough, so you see a different surrounding after a really rough crossing yesterday from Picton to Wellington, and I'm not kidding. But seriously, we felt even more for the poor buggers who went on the ferry after us to cross back over to Picton because it really got even worse with the swell. So, oh my gosh, it was all good. So today, as promised, I will show you the fourth possibility of endless possibilities, but I just chose those four that I'm showing you how to become fully present in the here and now by being aware of sounds, which is another tool that is always available, like your breath, at least it should be. So, are you ready for it? How are you sitting right now? Are you comfy? Are you sitting upright? Great. So now again, close your eyes or gaze. It's totally up to you. So become aware of breathing. So in this point, you can really use any technique that we've had so far and just be aware of it. So I invite you to become aware of your breathing just as it is, entering and leaving your body through your nostrils. And just feel it. So become fully and completely aware of this beautiful breathing rhythm entering and leaving your body at your nostrils. And just feel the in-breath completely. Realize that there's a little pause at the end before your out-breath starts, and then feel that completely. Realize that there's again a little pause before you become aware of your in-breath again. So just be aware of that breathing rhythm that supplies you with oxygen and a lot of other nourishments. And just feel that breathing. And if a thought should enter, or any other distraction, just realize that there is one, and then let that thought go, like a cloud in the sky. And bring your awareness back to the gentle sensation of the breathing in and around your nostrils. And as you become more and more calm and going into physical and mental stillness, become aware that there might be some sounds around you. Maybe the only sound you hear is my voice. Maybe there's a sound inside your room. Maybe there's a sound outside your room. But please become aware just of that sound as it is and let it wash through you. And you can stay with your awareness with your breathing if this is easier for you in between sounds or as the general pattern. But you can also detach from your breathing and just listen to my voice, and only listen to my voice. And then become aware if there is again a sound somewhere. Or maybe become aware that there is no sound. So whatever it is, just listen to it. Become fully and completely aware of any sound that there is, or that there is no sound. You see, that is being mindful of what is. As I said in the first session, mindfulness was about being fully and completely aware of what is right now, right here. And also listen when my voice stops. Maybe you can still hear one or the other thing I've said. So for the next few moments, I leave you in a bit of silence. Invite you to really listen to what is present here and now. Enjoy. So how do you feel now? Are you still listening to the sounds? Are you still present with whatever is right now? You see, those 4 techniques that I've told you in this little mini series, they are just so helpful, and those basic things you can do everywhere and at any time. Just like 5 to 10 minutes a day, listening to sounds, to the sea, to the birds, the trees. Last night, the rain. Being fully present with what is. So you don't need to sit cross-legged for that. You don't need to do it for hours. You do it whenever it is present. And whenever you feel you need a break from whatever is bothering you, whatever is keeping you from being calm, take a break from that and become aware of the sounds. Or what we did in the other sessions, the breath or the body, or combine it. It's your meditation. You do whatever you feel like in your meditation. So let me know in the comments what you thought of those 4 little techniques that I told you. And also let me know if you practice it, how you feel with it. So this day was the last of the little series, the teaching, where I just showed you that you can achieve mindfulness in minutes with ease. But it's a muscle that needs training, like an athlete needs training. You need to practice. You can read a million books about meditation, but you actually have to do it. And carry on and practice the 5 to 10 minutes a day, or whenever it is present for you. And if you want to carry on and go deeper, just follow that link that I'm giving you. And you can also go with someone else. That's totally fine with me, as long as you keep practicing. My Monday night class will start next week for beginners. Enrollment is still open until tonight midnight. And you can also watch the full training that I did last week, a full 40-minute workshop about these things, and go through again and just enjoy. How would you like that? Every Monday night, like that, training, Monday night training. And again, if you like what you see, like it, share it, so that they know it too, your friends and everyone. I really enjoyed that. Let me know if you liked those little bits and pieces, like 10 minutes a day, or if you watched the full workshop, whether you liked that better. Let me know in the comments. I would love to know. And I would love to see you and start making sense. If you watch the full workshop, at the very end, you will see what's all included. That's me for now from Martinborough, and I see you again soon from, well, let's see. Bye.